Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2005 Honda Odyssey with the V6 motor. So we have the 3.5 motor. We're going to go over how you would replace your air filter. This is your engine air filter. This is the engine box right here behind your battery. And then, so there are 4 bolts to loosen. These 2 here and 2 on the bottom. And they are a size 8. They don't come completely out. They'll stop there. But once they're loose, then you'll be able to pop this up and out and be able to take out your old filter and be able to put a new one in. We look down in there to look for some debris. If there's debris, then you would vacuum it out. If not, just go ahead and take your new air filter and be able to pop it in with this bigger chunk of the fins facing down for it to line up in there. And then line it up. And then just tighten your, these can be a number 8 head or just a Phillips. So tighten those on. And with those all tight, that would be how you replace your engine air filter on your 2005 Honda Odyssey. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.